everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also, and with that being said, you all, I have an unboxing. Yes, I do, you all. I have a unboxing, and y'all gonna be like, okay, Miss Tamika, so if you want to see what's in this here box, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to go ahead and click on my subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this box. Before I get into the unboxing, I have a makeup haul. Got some stuff from Sephora, and then I also got the rest of our training products. So thing in the bag, because I did purchase things on my own. Just tell you, this strawberries and cream line, I did purchase the beauty blenders. When I tell you I am in love, like the beauty blenders, matter of fact, let me show you. Yeah, you all, here are the beauty blenders, and when you first purchase them, they smell like strawberries. Like, they smell so cute, and not only do they smell cute, they look cute, and it comes in a set of 2. Now keep in mind, I do have a lot of beauty blenders, but I couldn't pass these here up because they are cute. And not only are they cute, they pink and like a pink and cream color. Here are $12 for 2. Ended up getting these hair brushes. These here are travel brushes. Be traveling anytime soon, but I just feel like if I do decide to travel, I will already have my travel brushes, because when I do travel and I do bring my makeup, I'm always bringing like all my big brushes. I'm in my bag, and I just feel like I want to have like actual travel brushes. My brushes are big and long and stuff, so with these here, they are nice and short. These here are supposed to smell like strawberry too. You don't smell them as much as you do on the beauty blender. A nice size. Like, they don't feel like cheap, because you know sometimes when you get certain brushes, they feel like real cheap, and I don't know, I can't explain it, but these don't feel like that. They were really cute just to have in my collection. Like I said, not only are they cute and little, they like a creamy pink color, I guess, whatever color this is. I highly recommend these hair brushes, even if you're not traveling, just to have them, because you might want to just throw them in your purse, like if you know, like to put your makeup on the go. I highly recommend these as well. So yeah, I wanted to show you so I can go ahead and put them up. Let me see. And I got some samples from Biossance, because when he come in, he usually give us samples sometimes. So I got these squalene, 2 of those. And this here is part of my order. Anytime I do an online order and they have perfume or cologne samples, I typically pick the perfume and cologne samples, because all that other stuff I don't need. So yeah, I got some Libre and Giorgio Armani. I got some lip glosses, you all. They were having like an extra sale with Sephora. I think they were, like, if you buy 2, you got a percentage off, and so forth and so forth. This is why I got these hair lips from these glosses from Sephora, because if y'all don't know about the Sephora glosses, you all, they are the best and affordable. They like $10, so like they cost at least $25-$30. So yeah, I got the color Brave. I got the color Brave, and then one of my old Sephora friends recommended the color, I think it was Brave or Blessed. So I did get that because she liked to say, like, her colors are kind of like what I like. Had Brave. I was like, oh, I want to get it, because it's always sold out at our Sephora, so I did have to purchase it online. So yeah, I have that. And then this hair color is like a clear color. This here is 05 Strut at Glossy Clear. What is it, holographic, or what is that called? There's that color of the clear. I forgot what they call it, y'all. I don't know, I have a brain freeze. Extra brow pencil, because I always run out of my brow pencils. And then I got a eyeliner, because a lot of people come in like, oh, do you sell Marc Jacobs? Which we don't. Beauty line is like, it went away. Like, Marc Jacobs makeup anymore. It's come in asking about the Marc Jacob eyeliner, and the Sephora collection, which is the eyeliner Black Matte 01, is comparable to the Marc Jacobs. So if you were a fan of the Marc Jacob liquid eyeliner, the Sephora collection gel liner in black matte 01 is comparable to that, just to let you know. As the little bonuses, we got this here fresh, and I will say so far so good, because the lady did give us like a little, like a card sample, you know, like the little cards you get in the, like, I don't know, you know, like the little sample pouches. She did give us one, and y'all, I was using it and it was amazing, like amazing. If I didn't mention, this here is by the brand Fresh. And they have a bigger size, so yeah, you all, this feels really good on. And then Bioscience left us one of their lip balms. Had a chance to try a lip from Merit, color Slit. I was so happy it wasn't red, you all, because I like red, but I'm not like, my red is not a go-to color for me. And again, this is the color Slip. So yeah, I was excited about the Merit, because Merit did send me products, but they never sent the lips, because at the time when they sent over the products, they didn't even have lipsticks available. The Merit foundation, you all, is the bomb. Like, I wore that for 2 days straight, and when I tell you, I had got so many compliments on my makeup, I had to throw you off. So now are you ready for this hair unboxing? I just had to throw you off just for a little bit. I'm going to show you. Yes, do you see? That's Louis Vuitton, and as you can see, it's not a big box, it is a small box. Say that this particular item, I couldn't believe the price, you all. I couldn't believe the price. Phone call was like, hey, I want this. They ordered it for me, and here, I couldn't believe the price. And once you see the item, you can be like, oh, okay, Miss Tamika, I get it. The box, here is the receipt. Anytime someone else orders for me, they always forget to write something in here for me. So I have a to me from me gift, but here's the receipt and the thank you for purchasing at Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton, like, now if you go on their website and you place an order within a certain time, it ships overnight for free. I don't know what's up with that, because back when I was ordering, it took a few days. So here's the little tag, like the gift tag. Did peek in it because I wanted to make sure I was loving it before I did an unboxing. I told you, as long as I'm not buying, I will be unboxing. The item came in this cute little dust bag. As you can see, it's a small leather good, because this particular item, you all, is the coin purse. Let me get the, I think it's called the, you see it out, this here is called the Rosaline coin purse. And the reason I wanted this item, because this here item is under $500. For this to be all leather, like, do you see this? This is all leather, and for this to be under $500, I was like, oop, I gotta get it. Like, I have to get it. I couldn't leave it there, because I was looking at this coin purse in the monogram print with the pink inside, to the Victorine wallet, or one of those wallets I already have. And of course, like I said, when I was at work, a lady pulled out she didn't pull out the leather version of the coin purse. She pulled out the monogram. It's cute. I said I was looking at that particular item. Here you can see, and I started looking at it, and I was just like, oh my gosh. I saw that this came in like a turquoise color. It's a tan color, like that turtle dove color, the color of my backpack. But this color stood out to me because I love pink. If y'all didn't know, I love pink. This, and like I said, it was under $500. I was like, okay, I want it, so I got it. And this is the first time it ever came with something like this, so I know that it's like real brand new. Here on the inside, you have this one big pocket. You have a slip pocket here, and you also have a slip pocket back here. Also have one back in the back of the wallet. You also have a slip pocket, and then you also have a small zipper pocket. You probably can place coins in here. Here are the care card. Well, here is the number for this particular item. Me personally, the leather, for you to be able to catch a leather item for under $500, like, I don't know if this was a part of the price increase, because like I said, leather usually costs a couple dollars depending on what depending on what you get. And I think these here are new. Don't quote me on that, but I do think these here are new far as the coin purses. Okay, I want that. Like, I just thought it was the cutest thing ever. Like, I know I said I wasn't purchasing Louis Vuitton, but like I said, it was gifted, so here's the unboxing. You get your gold button here on the front. Really cute and small. It's not that big. I do have the zippy coin purse, I think this is called. It's kind of like almost like the same far as size, but this one here I'm sure holds a lot more than this. Really quick is I'm gonna grab some cards. You can see how things look. I have 3 cards so far. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place my 1 card here, place my Target card in one of the slip pockets, my Nordstrom card on the other side. Do have, let me see, I do have a few cards, so let me see. I have 8 cards here. I have a total of 8 cards, so use that to tap and go. I just bring my cards just in case I ever want to get cash out or something like that. Now the cards can fit, but I do feel like I did have to like kind of tug at it to close it. Why? Let's see, maybe if I put some in the back. I did place some cards in the back of the wallet. Here is the wallet with everything in it. Now with this being full with cards, I don't have room for coins. Like, well, yeah, I probably do. Let me see. This particular wallet, you can double those card slots, so I will take advantage of that. We put 2 or 3 in each slot. More room in the middle if I want to carry cash. I don't carry cash like that, but just in case for whatever reason I need to carry cash. I know I love SLGs, like that's just my thing. So when I saw this at a good price, I just couldn't leave it. I just couldn't, y'all. And then I also wanted to show you, I'm not sure what video is going to go up, but I did get this here particular item. This here was sent to me. I'm not going to go into details regarding this hair bag. You have to watch the video, and I will insert the card up top so you can know how I was able to get this bag. I just wanted to show you how it looks inside of this hair bag. Like that pop of color. So in love with this hair pop of pink. Like, oh my gosh, you all. Little pink wallet. This will go really cute with my turtle dove. What's that? The turtle dove. My backpack. But y'all know I haven't been wearing that backpack because you have to watch. Again, I'll leave the cards up here for that, because that was a situation to the point where I don't know if I'm gonna carry that ever again. I'm not sure. I probably will. I was thinking of selling it, people to fix the situation, but I just feel like if I'm not going to use it, I need to see if I can sell it. So I just wanted to share this really quick unboxing on my new Rosaline coin purse. Leather is so freaking beautiful. So yeah, you all, I hope y'all enjoyed this here unboxing. I will try and link the model number of this particular item down below, because like I said, you all, I don't know if they're going to be having another price increase, but this here is under $500 before tax. It's like under $500 for a all leather piece, and it's cute and pink and girly. So with that being said, you all, please give this video a big thumbs up, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so y'all can be notified. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later.